I'm totally confused. As I'm using antivirus software, then also my operating system is corrupting again and again, again and again, again and again.
Oops, my system crashed.
I have another issue. I've lost a couple of
Lamb sauce!
with a very less difference. I feel in my absence, someone is stealing
Rubber!
data from my computer. I need to find it out. I'm much tensed as targets of my sales team is not completing. Sales team is eating
It's raw, Melissa!
eating up a lot of money in salary and tour expenses without giving me
Rubber!
It is costing me big time, and I'm not even sure whether they are going to those cities or not. These days, none of my staff is completing their
Lamb sauce!
It seems instead of doing relevant work, they are busy with Facebook, Twitter, YouTube,
Oops, my system crashed.
and maybe chatting and playing the games.
I'm just here to cook, sir.
Now look at me! Oops, my system crashed.
I don't know how to make them work efficiently.
Do you know me?
No. What are you?
I'm Proto. I just heard your problems, and I have a single solution to all your problems.
Single solution?
Yes, single solution. You need Protogent 360 to be installed in your and your employees' machines. It protects you from virus and internet threats with Protogent Total Security. It protects you from data theft with port locker and data leakage prevention. It protects you from unethical activities, from activity monitoring and reporting. And it protects your computer from physical theft and also tracks your employee location at any point of time. I'm not kidding. You install Protogent 360 and experience yourself.
Now I don't have to go back to my engineer again and again and again, as my operating system and applications are working fine now. Now I will not lose any more data, and no one can steal my data. Now I can keep track of my employee emails and will be able to get some sales from them. Now everyone is completing their work on time, and I feel I have some extra staff also. Suddenly, everyone's efficiency